Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to make Pinterest board private on Android device. Okay, some users may want to keep certain boards private to restrict access to specific content. So how to do it? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Pinterest application on your device. Okay, after that you can click Board tab and then long press on a board you want to keep it private and drag it to pencil icon. Okay, lastly, activate this option. Okay, so now the board is successfully private. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to make Pinterest board private on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.